Hello, welcome to FountainFX on the 1st of July 2014. Just a couple of things with regards to news. This Friday coming is typically it's the first Friday in the month, so it's due for major data out of the US, non-farm payroll, which is commonly called non-farm employment change now. If we look here, it's actually happening on Thursday this week, the 3rd of July, because the 4th of July is a national holiday in the US. So this week everything's sort of out of balance in that sense. So there's some significant news, a lot of news on Thursday we need to be aware of. If we quickly flick back to tomorrow, we're looking at Federal Chairwoman Yellen is speaking as well, so expect there to be some upheaval in the markets as a result of that. And also we've got the ADP non-farm employment change figures as well. So at the moment it's a bit of volatility. If we flick over to the charts and see how it's impacting on the Euro-US dollar. Looking on the 4-hour chart, we can see that price has been in this short-term uptrend. It's been pushing up from the low of the 135.10 area, 135.20, and it did pull back at the beginning, well, the end of last week in fact, pulled back down to this this previous area of resistance. Became support, where prices rallied quite strongly from there. We did look at a buy at the 135.80. There was also a buy at the 136.20 with the break of this downtrend line, and the counter trend line, a break of that, and that was the entry. So we got a buy at the 136.20. It's pushed all the way up to the 136.90 area, but in the last day to 2 days we've literally seen sideways move. We're actually looking to see a sell-off. And to some degree that's expected, because it's basically those that have made profit in this move here, with the news that's coming out tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. So there's a lot of the US market will be shut on Friday. We are looking at the fact that there's going to be volatility, there's going to be uncertainty. So basically people who've made profit from the buy are now starting to sell and cover their profits, bank some money, and then see what the news says, rather than sit there and take the risk of the news whipping their profit backwards and forwards, or turning their profit into a loss. They are closing their orders. So there is an opportunity here to, I would say, close whatever orders you've got if you are in that market. And we are looking then, therefore, once we've got the news and all the volatility coming through, we may be looking for a buy opportunity down here at this area here at the 136.60, which was previously resistance, potential for it to turn into support. And if it comes down below that, we've then got another level down here at the 136.40, so just slightly lower. So we've got a couple of areas where we could be buying to re-engage with this trend, and they're the opportunities that we have. I would personally say, because of the volatility that's coming out in the next day or two, is close your order, or at least cover it. Make sure that you've probably banked in at least 50% of the profit, and we shall see what happens tomorrow. But that's really it from FountainFX. Happy trading, and we will catch you tomorrow. Bye bye.